In a cozy little house on the edge of town, there lived a kind-hearted girl named Lily. She loved to play and explore, her imagination as boundless as the sky. One sunny afternoon, while her mom was out, Lily decided to have an indoor adventure. With a colorful ball in hand, she bounced and twirled through the living room. But in a moment of excitement, her aim went awry. The ball soared through the air, knocking into her mom's cherished vase. Time seemed too slow as Lily watched in horror. The vase teetered, then crashed to the floor, shattering into 100 glittering pieces. Panic gripped Lily's heart. She knew how much her mom loved that vase. Without thinking, she scooped up the shards and hid them in the nearby closet. When her mom returned home, she noticed the empty spot where the vase once stood. "Lily, have you seen my special vase?" she asked. Lily's mind raced. Before she could stop herself, a lie tumbled from her lips. "I don't know, Mom. Maybe it fell on its own."
Well, what do you think of that? I created the full animated story with characters, voiceover, and scenes, all for free, without spending a cent. And the best part? You can create up to 10 minutes of animation. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to do the same, from start to finish. And trust me, it's way easier than you think. And you only need one free tool that you already have access to. Before starting this video, please hit that like and subscribe button. It really helps out the channel. The tool I'm talking about is CapCut. Yes, the same CapCut you might already be using for editing your regular videos. They've added a super powerful AI tool that can do a lot of the work for us. CapCut's new AI video maker can create entire animated stories with consistent characters, voiceovers, and animations, all for free. And in this video, I'll show you step by step how to do it. Now, first things first, download CapCut using the link I've put in the description. Once you're on the home page, sign up and click the download button to download it to your computer. Then open CapCut. You'll see an option to create project at the top and right here, AI Video Maker. Click on the AI Video Maker. It will open up a new window. When you get here, you can choose to use either the instant AI video or create a new project. We will click Create a New Project as we want to have control over our project. When the interface loads, it will ask if you want to enter your own script or create one with AI. Click Create One with AI. This is where CapCut is going to do the heavy lifting for us. And right here, give your story a title or topic. I will call mine The Girl Who Traded a Lie. Then in the key points section, I'll add the main plot elements I've come up with. I said something about a girl breaking her mum's special vase while playing in the house with a ball and then trying to hide it, but decided to tell the truth in the end. For duration, you can choose between 1 to 10 minutes. As I want the video to be short this time, I'll go with 3 minutes. Here's a cool feature most people miss. You can mimic any writing style of your choice, including those from popular animation, and CapCut will try and match that storytelling style. You can even use your own writing style to be consistent with your brand, but you can leave it blank if you want. If you have any other requirements, you can add them here. Then click Create and watch the AI work its magic. In just a few seconds, you'll have a complete script that reads like it was written by a professional storyteller. I'll quickly read the script to see if I am happy with it. If you're not happy with any part, you can click on the section and select Rewrite. It's incredibly flexible. Now, here comes the part that will make you see your story coming together. Character generation and voice creation. On the left side, click on Scenes and you'll find the voiceover options. CapCut has a number of AI voices to choose from. You can preview them before making your choice. Some of them you're gonna like, and others are just not gonna work out for you. Listen to them. I want to go for this lady. I kinda like her voice, but just want her to speak a bit faster. So I'll increase her speed to match my vision. I'm gonna click her voice and apply it to all scenes. At this point, I've got the script and the voiceover. This story is coming together smoother than I had imagined. Now we need to add images to bring the story to life. At the top, we'll click on Media. We have three options here. We can either generate AI media, match our media, that is, if we have already prepared media such as images, we can upload them and CapCut will match them to the script, or match stock media, meaning the AI will pull suitable media from CapCut's stock footage library to go with the story. We'll go with Generate AI Media. Choose our aspect ratio, which is 16:9 for YouTube. You can choose any style from here. I'll go with Cartoon 3D. Then apply to all scenes. CapCut's AI is going through the script and generating images to match it. The images are now created. I'm going to play the video.
In a cozy little house on the edge of town, there lived a kind-hearted girl named Lily.
This video maker has created the whole story. I mean the script, voiceover, and images that align with the script. Quick note, type CapCut in the comments if you're ready to try this yourself. When I click and check the scenes, I see that the girl's face is consistent. It is clear that we're seeing the same girl. Now I want to change this vase and make it pink, so I'll click here to replace the image, then change the prompt to add pink and generate. You'll get 4 images to choose from. Choose the one you prefer and add it to the scene to replace the previous one. That's it. I'll do the same with this image as well. Check all your images to see if there are any you would like to change. In my case, I just wanted to make the vase pink in all the images. Next up, we have elements. I'm going to skip this step completely. I don't want to leave it to the AI to decide on the elements, the effects to use. I'll add them later. Go to the Music tab to add music. I'm going to search for Kids Animation, listen to a few songs, and pick the one that sounds just about right. Click the plus sign to add it to the video. Let me now play the video with the music.
In a cozy little house on the edge of town, there lived a kind-hearted girl named Lily.
Right, I'm happy with it. We've got the script, voiceover, music, and images. To further enhance this video with transitions that I like, I will take everything that has been generated here to my CapCut desktop app. To do this, I'll click on Edit More at the top, and the whole project will be loaded on my desktop app. All right, it has brought us here. I believe everything looks familiar. You can see the timeline has been pre-populated with the captions, scenes, voiceover, and music. This is where I'm going to fine-tune everything. I'll start by adding transitions between the scenes so they flow smoothly, one scene to another. Click Transitions at the top, browse through, and add the one you'll go with between the scenes. I'll apply it to all. To make this a lot more engaging for kids, I'm going to add sound effects to make it more real, such as where the vase fell and broke. So, what I'll do is play the video and look for places where I can add various sound effects. To do that, I'm going to go to Audio at the top and search for glass breaking. I'll go for this one, then add it to the timeline at the relevant place where the vase breaks and adjust the volume as I see fit. I'll search for more sound effects and add them. Now you can either stop here and export your video and upload it on YouTube, or you can animate the scenes. To take this up a notch, I'm going to animate the scenes right here in CapCut. I'll choose a few of them to animate just to show you. The good thing is when you first use this AI video maker, you'll get 1200 free credits. What we've done so far was all free without needing any credits, but animation requires credits. I'm going to choose a scene to animate. I'll go with the one of the girl bouncing the ball. You can either import images from your computer by clicking here. Alternatively, you can just right-click on the image and select Image to Video. Your image will be added right here. Then you can just type in your prompt underneath. I'll just say Girl Bouncing Ball. I'll go with their Video 2.0 model, which takes only a few credits. Leave the motion speed and camera control as they are. I'll select 5 seconds for the video duration and aspect ratio of 16:9, then generate. This video model uses 25 credits. I'll quickly view the animated scene and the girl is playing with the ball. I'm gonna animate another scene and get the girl to play. We have her playing. When you're happy with your video, you can export it. Click Export at the top. Choose the file location where you'll save it on your desktop. Your resolution, I recommend 4K. That's it. Your video is ready to be uploaded on YouTube. This is a quick and easy process to create 3D kids animation videos without the use of expensive tools. If this video helped you, hit the like button, share, and make sure you subscribe so you don't miss upcoming tutorials like this. And if you want me to cover free and unlimited AI video and image generators in a future video, type video plus image in the comments.
In a cozy little house on the edge of town, there lived a kind-hearted girl named Lily. She loved to play and explore, her imagination as boundless as the sky. One sunny afternoon, while her mom was out, Lily decided to have an indoor adventure. With a colorful ball in hand, she bounced and twirled through the living room. But in a moment of excitement, her aim went awry. The ball soared through the air, knocking into her mom's cherished vase. Time seemed too slow as Lily watched in horror. The vase teetered, then crashed to the floor, shattering into 100 glittering pieces. Panic gripped Lily's heart. She knew how much her mom loved that vase. Without thinking, she scooped up the shards and hid them in the nearby closet. When her mom returned home, she noticed the empty spot where the vase once stood. "Lily, have you seen my special vase?" she asked. Lily's mind raced. Before she could stop herself, a lie tumbled from her lips. "I don't know, Mom. Maybe it fell on its own." The words left a bitter taste in her mouth. As days passed, Lily noticed her mom growing sadder. She'd catch her staring at the empty shelf, a wistful look in her eyes. The lie, which Lily thought would make things easier, now felt like a heavy stone in her stomach. She realized that her mom's sadness was far worse than any punishment could have been. One evening, as guilt gnawed at her insides, Lily made a decision. With trembling hands and a quivering voice, she approached her mom. "Mom, I have something to tell you," she began, tears welling in her eyes. Lily confessed everything. The accident, the lie, and how sorry she was. To Lily's surprise, her mom wasn't angry. Instead, she pulled Lily into a warm embrace. "I'm so proud of you for telling the truth," she said softly. "It takes great courage to admit when we've made a mistake." Together, they retrieved the broken pieces from the closet. As they held the fragments, an idea sparked. "Why don't we make a memory box?" Lily's mom suggested. "We can keep these pieces as a reminder of the importance of honesty." And so, they did. They decorated a small wooden box, carefully placing the shards inside. What was once a sad moment became a new memory, one of truth, forgiveness, and love. As Lily drifted off to sleep that night, she felt lighter than she had in days. She learned that while telling the truth can be scary, it builds trust and feels so much better than carrying the weight of a lie. From that day forward, Lily promised herself to always be honest, no matter how difficult it might seem.